Hello world, here is BITI, your Bitcoin Trading Informant, and here is your weekly forecast. What's going on with Bitcoin next week, next days? We will check this now together. Guys, we are here on my live stream. I'm streaming live 24 hours, 7 days a week on YouTube and Twitch. And here is everything you need for trading. And we will start here with the bigger time frame. Here we will start here with this one. This is the 1 day time frame. And on the 1 day time frame, guys, you can see this important stuff now. We have a really big downtrend. And look at this, we broke out from this downtrend with this daily candle now. Let's zoom in a little bit. This is really cool. We broke this bad downtrend and we are still in this sideways going or a little down going trend. And if we are zooming in a little bit more, you can see something next here that's really bullish. That's really nice. We broke this resistance line to the upside. Really cool. We have 13 hours left to close this candle. And it's not looking so bad. So maybe we have a nice support with this middle line. Maybe we are breaking out from this, and this is a really nice stuff. The MACD is bullish on the downside. We are building more and more green candles. This is nice. But on the upside, you can see this, guys, we have a really big problem with this line. The EMA 200 line is about 40,000, and we have the red ribbon band here. We are fighting in the moment, and for the moment with the ribbon band, this is not good. We have to fight over the ribbon band. We have to fight over the EMA 200. And this would be a really nice bullish thing. But for the moment, it's not the best thing. Guys, I would like to show you this here very quick. This is the indicator, the RSI indicator on the daily. And yes, it's so important. I'm so happy that Higgy showed me this relative strength index. Let's zoom out a little bit more on the daily and I can check this here now for you. This was the big bull run and this is the big thump, and now we have on the downside the RSI, and yes, we have from the RSI, the highest point, a line to the downside like this here, and you can see we are for the moment fighting with this line. This is the RSI, the resistance line. This is so a big resistance for the moment, guys. The big question is now, can we fight over this resistance line? Can we fight back this RSI? This would be really awesome, but for the moment we are still fighting. Attention is Sunday. It's a bloody Sunday. Most Sundays on last time we saw bloody Sundays, so attention. The MACD is bullish, okay, blue line over the brown line, I told you, and the RSI is now the important thing in my opinion to watch here on the daily chart. Guys, I told you yesterday, we have to watch one thing. We saw a death cross. Yes, for sure. I told you this death cross. We saw the death cross, but when can we see a golden cross? And I would like to show you this here with the indicators. There's a really nice indicator. The name is death cross indicator. And you can see here death and golden cross. This is really nice. And you can see here on the 1 day chart, really nice. We saw here, let's turn off the ribbon band. We saw here the death cross. This red dot here was the death cross. Now the blue line, the EMA 50, is under the green line, the EMA 200. And that's a big problem for now for Bitcoin. The golden cross, guys, if we will, or we would like to see a golden cross, the blue line must cross the green line. And I can show you this on history. If you're zooming out a little bit more, you can see these dots here. And if Bitcoin is going sideways, this is not so nice. But guys, look at this here. We saw here this big bump to the upside, then down. Then we saw a death cross. The blue line crossed the green line. And look at this. Since this point, we went down to 3,000. Really bad. So this was a really good indicator, the death cross. Bitcoin went down. Then we saw a golden cross. A golden cross. I know it's a really slow indicator. I know that, guys. But we saw here the golden cross on 25th April 2019. Look at this. Golden cross, 4,500. The price up to 14,000. $10,000 with this nice golden cross here. Then again, we saw a death cross down. And then the sideways going pictures, this is not so nice to trade. I know maybe it's going also sideways now, but look at this. We are so away from this bullish golden cross here. We are in the big death cross. That's the big picture. I would like to show you this, guys. So I'm not ultra bullish for the moment because of this, but maybe we're going up a little bit. You can also see this EMA 50 or this EMA 50 is here the next resistance also on 36,000. So we have here really big resistances for the daily. The ribbon band here on the daily is also a problem because you can see it here. The fight with the ribbon band now is here. Here we saw a nice fight with the ribbon band, but the EMA 200 was too strong. and now EMA 200 is on 40,000. The next fight maybe will happen with 40,000. So it's possible. It's really possible to go up from here to 40,000 this week. My forecast for this week is, yes, we may see a little upgoing Bitcoin here in the direction to 40,000. We are now on 35,600. That's really possible, but it's hard. It's really hard with the ribbon band, with the EMA 50 now. This is here on 36,500, and then, okay, 40,000. It's possible. But we need higher highs, and we need a higher price as this price here. This was the highest price, 41,600. We need a higher price. If we will close with 40,000 and down again, this is also a really bad thing. And guys, if you will trade this sideways going Bitcoin, it's perfectly to trade here. Buy low on this side, sell high, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell. Maybe that's the big question now on the middle line. Or wait a little bit if you are still in the trade to this point to 40,000. You can make really nice profits if you are trading this sideways going things here. Okay, let's move out here. This is the daily. Let's check the weekly. And guys, the weekly is also very important with the ribbon band, because I told you guys we need closing candles in the ribbon band, not a confirmed closing candle under the ribbon band. And for the moment, if you're zooming in a little bit more and more, you can see it here. We are here with this candle nice in the ribbon band and not under the ribbon band. That's really nice. I hope for a nice Sunday. I know bloody Sunday and so on, but I hope for a nice Sunday, a closing candle in the ribbon band. And this is a really little bullish candle here, in my opinion, if you can close this here in the ribbon band. So let's go deeper. Let's check the 4-hour time frame. And on the 4-hour time frame, we can see this interesting stuff here. Yes, we had here the break. We can remove the test cross. It's not important anymore. We had a break here. The red ribbon band is over. We are now in a green, nice ribbon band. And look at the middle line. The middle line as a resistance. We are now over the middle line. This is really nice. This is bullish. Okay, what can we check here else, guys? This is the parallel channel from the downside to the upside. And we are here in this nice parallel channel, and this is the next thing now. Look at this. Here's coming the EMA 200 on 36,300. Here is the green line. This is the middle line. This is the resistance line here, also maybe on 36,200, 300, depends always where we will hit this line. And this is the next big thing we have to watch, guys, if Bitcoin is going up from here. So let's check another stuff here. We can draw a line from this point over this point here to the downside. And you can see with this big candle here, we broke out of this downtrend. We broke out over this downtrend line, and we are now here. This line is now a nice support for us, and maybe a nice stop loss position if you are in a trade here. So the big question now, guys, where is the next thing for Bitcoin for this week? In my opinion, I can show you this. I think here is a really hard thing. Here is the RSI on 36,000. Here is so much sell power, in my opinion. It's really hard for Bitcoin to come over this here on Sunday, but maybe a little downgoing price here on 34,800, 500, and then a big leg to the upside, a fight against the ribbon band, a fight against the EMA 200 on 36,300. And yes, maybe we are going up in the direction to 40,000 this week. Next week, this would be really nice, but all in all, I'm still bearish. I know maybe this was the bottom, but you can see this was a low, this was a lower low. We need a higher low now, and we need higher highs, and for the moment we are not building higher highs. That's the big picture. Maybe for next week I'm trading this stuff, and guys, it doesn't matter if you go long or if you go short. I wish you make millions with your trade. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice time. And if you would like to see this in German, I have a really nice German video out there with some other stuff, also with the forecast for Bitcoin. Guys, thanks. Have a nice greetings. Yours BT, your Bitcoin trading informant, and special, very special, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. Bye-bye.
System activated.